This week we have an opportunity to do presentations for each other in a discussion board. So these instructions are going to include a little bit about that and a little bit about how to make a screencast so that you can give your presentation. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, of course, is create your presentation, and you're going to use presentation software to create a presentation for your classmates. That can be a PowerPoint or a Prezi, something like that. And your presentation should include, obviously, a career that you're going to be talking about, and it should include your name, a personal picture, the required education for the career, relation of your education to your 4-year plan. That was the previous assignment that we did. The future job description and duties, an explanation of why you are majoring in psychology or the major that you've chosen, a comparison of your reasons to those listed in Chapter 13. So those are the requirements for the presentation. An example, perhaps, of the presentation is similar to the one on this page. This is just a few slides to give you an idea or an example of what it possibly would look like. So this is a PowerPoint presentation and just has a few slides, the name, the career, Child Protective Services caseworker, and then required education. So those are just a few of the slides, but it should look similar to that. Okay, so once you've created your presentation, you need to present it, and we're going to use the Screencast-O-Matic screencast to do that. So you will need to go to the Screencast-O-Matic website, which you see there on the screen the web address. So it's screencast-o-matic.com, and then you need to sign up for a free account. So when you get there, the screen looks like this, and then you just sign up for free and create an account. It's not very difficult. And once you complete that, you're going to launch the screen recorder. The screen recorder will record your computer screen and your voice as you go through your presentation, just like I'm doing now. So on the screen, it will say launch free recorder, and you click on that, and that will start the process of launching your Screencast-O-Matic recorder. You will see a box with dashed lines, which is the area of your screen that will record. You can make it larger or smaller by clicking and dragging it. You will also see a control panel with the red record button. Click on that red record button when you are ready to record your screen. You see an example of it right here. There's a record button, and this box you see here is the area that's going to record on your screen. So you can make it larger or smaller by dragging it with these little bars. Okay, so when you're finished recording, click on the pause button in the upper left corner. You kind of see it right there. This will stop the recording, and then you will be given the option of where you would like to upload your screencast. If you didn't like your recording and you want to start over, there's a little trash can next to the pause button after you hit pause that you can delete. You can click on it and it will delete it, and you can start over. So this kind of shows you the pause button. You'll click on that when you're finished, and then it will give you some options of what you need to do to upload it. So you can save it as a video file, upload a screencast, or upload to YouTube. And that's what we are going to do. When you've finished recording your screencast to your satisfaction, you will select the upload to YouTube option. And it will take a few minutes to publish the selection. So you click the YouTube button, and then it will take a minute to publish to YouTube. So it'll show you the progress while you're waiting. And then when that's finished, it will show you that it's published to YouTube. And then you want to open the upload. So see where that arrow is pointing? You click on open the upload, and it will take you to YouTube, where you can see on your account where you can see your screencast there. So once that's done, we want to upload it, or we want to embed it actually into our discussion board, and that's the final step so that you can share it with your classmates. So when you embed your video, there's a couple things that you need to just realize. That there is, when you click reply on our discussion board, there is an insert media button in the toolbar of the discussion board posting box that allows you to paste an embed code. And you can find that embed code on YouTube, underneath your video, there's a share button, and if you click on it, it will give you the option to copy the embed code. So you just need to copy that embed code. You can either highlight it or just hit copy, and then you go back to the discussion board and paste it into the insert media box. There's there's the second tab there says embed. There's a video also in these instructions that show you a little more in detail about how to embed a video. So you can look at that if you need a little more help. Okay, those are our instructions. You guys are ready to go, and let's have a great discussion board.